Hey everyone, how are you? I have another story for you. This is one of our favorites in class, isn't it? Good night, construction site. Shh, they're getting ready for bed. Let's read it together. Look at the moon. The moon looks pretty tired here too, doesn't it? Taking a rest. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Can you see all that they're doing there? Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Right there. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, sigh, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. Look, he's sleeping there. Shh. Spinning, churning all day long. Cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now yawn, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that kept him busy. Do you see him? With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute and turns off his light. Look at that. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. Look, he's smiling. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh, good night, dump truck, good night. Do you see him snoring? Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! It's roaring here. No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, and stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh, good night, bulldozer. Good night. He is so sleepy. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Oh, but now it's time to end his play. There's the excavator. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. He's yawning here. Can you do a big yawn yourself? Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Can you see all of them sleeping? All right, can you take a look and see? Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today now. Shh. Good night.